This is Project Fat Bob, an E.C.D Defender 110 built to our client's exact specification. Fat Bob is painted in eggshell Corris grey with black accents all around. Fat Bob sits on 18-inch Kahn 1983 wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 also features a 6-point external roll cage, classic front bumper with worn winch, 4 LED round spot lamps up front and 2 work lights at the rear. It also features a silver finished metal steering guard. Inside, Fat Bob features a Momo race steering wheel with all-American gauges, 2 Corbeau RRS front seats, a 60-40 split mid-row and 4 inward-facing jump seats in the load area. Each seat is finished in a horizontal Garrett Berkshire black Caressa cool grey leather, stitched together in Garrett Hunter green. This 110 is powered by our 450 horsepower LT1 engine with 8-speed automatic transmission. Fat Bob also features an array of modern touches such as JL Audio sound system, Apple CarPlay, wireless charging and access to USB ports throughout. This is an extremely well equipped 110 with nearly every option available. It has a modern, aggressive appearance while still maintaining the classic lines of this go anywhere vehicle. An absolutely stunning build and a credit to the owner for designing this one.